Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A modern, two-story house with a sleek, black exterior, surrounded by lush greenery and trees. The back facade features a striking vertical garden brimming with vibrant plants, creating a lively contrast against the dark building. The setting is a serene suburban neighborhood, with warm evening light casting a golden glow over the scene. The spacious deck boasts comfortable outdoor seating, including a large, gray sectional sofa and a round coffee table. Elegant outdoor lighting fixtures hang above, illuminating the dining area, which features a simple, contemporary white table and black chairs. The well-manicured lawn, composed of rich green grass, adds a fresh, inviting feel to the atmosphere. A modern eco-friendly house with a sleek design, featuring large glass windows and wooden cladding. The structure is surrounded by lush greenery and a variety of plants cascading from the rooftop garden, creating a vibrant, living facade. The setting includes a well-manicured garden with various textures and shades of green, along with carefully placed stone pathways and a serene water feature reflecting the surroundings. The aesthetic leans towards hyperrealism, capturing the interplay of light and shadows with warm, natural colors like earthy browns, deep greens, and gentle grays. A picturesque Italian villa set against a backdrop of rolling hills, showcasing rustic stone architecture with a terracotta roof. The scene is bathed in soft, natural light, creating a serene atmosphere. Lush greenery surrounds the property, with neatly trimmed hedges and ornamental shrubs in vibrant shades of green. In the foreground, a beautifully arranged lavender field adds a pop of purple, creating a striking contrast against the earthy tones of the villa. Elegant terracotta pots filled with flowering plants add charm, while cypress trees rise majestically at the edges of the scene. The sky is a soft blue, with light clouds subtly enhancing the tranquil vibe. A modern architectural home nestled in a lush tropical landscape during twilight. The building features large glass panels and wooden accents, creating a seamless blend with nature. The setting includes vibrant green lawns and expertly arranged tropical plants, including palm trees and vibrant ferns. Warm, inviting light spills from the interior, reflecting off the glass, contrasting with the deep greens and dark wood of the exterior. The sky displays soft hues of twilight blue and hints of orange, enhancing the serene atmosphere. A serene modern house set in a lush, landscaped garden, capturing the essence of a twilight evening. The architecture blends sleek lines with natural elements, featuring dark wooden siding and stone accents. Warm amber lights accentuate the house's outline and illuminate the glass panels of the surrounding porch, reflecting off the cozy ambience. The garden is a vibrant mix of green grass, textured gravel pathways, and a variety of plants, including tall grasses and colorful shrubs. Shadows cast by the trees enhance the tranquil mood, while the sky transitions from blue to a soft dusk hue. A modern architectural marvel set in a lush, green landscape, featuring a multi-level house with large glass windows that reflect the surrounding nature. The design is sleek and minimalist, with sharp lines and an interplay of dark materials. The rooftop garden thrives with vibrant foliage, creating a sense of harmony between the house and the natural environment. Warm, ambient lights glow from the interior spaces, suggesting a welcoming atmosphere during twilight. The scene captures a serene moment, with soft, natural colors like deep greens, earthy browns, and subtle touches of warm white from the lighting. Rooftop terrace scene, modern architecture featuring a sleek glass facade, vibrant flowers in shades of orange, purple, and white, lush greenery surrounding the terrace, urban skyline in the background under a clear blue sky, warm sunlight casting soft shadows, inviting and tranquil atmosphere, hyperrealistic style emphasizing sharp details and vivid colors, contemporary furniture arranged casually in the open space, a touch of playful elegance from decorative plants and flowers, designed for leisure and relaxation, seamless integration of nature and urban living. A contemporary urban home featuring a striking vertical garden that showcases an array of lush green plants and vibrant colors, creating a living tapestry on one side of the structure. The facade is modern and sleek, constructed from concrete and glass, with large windows that allow natural light to flood the interiors. The outdoor space includes a well-manicured lawn framed by leafy greenery and comfortable outdoor seating arrangements. The atmosphere is serene and inviting, suggesting a harmonious blend of modern architecture with nature, captured in a hyperrealistic style. Warm lights illuminate the interior, contrasting with the earthy tones of the plants. A modern multi-level home designed with an emphasis on harmony between nature and architecture, featuring lush greenery covering the rooftop and balconies. The structure is a blend of large glass panels and natural stone, creating a seamless connection with the surrounding landscape. The exterior is adorned with a variety of vibrant flowers and plants, enhancing the organic aesthetic. The scene captures a warm, inviting glow from the interior, contrasting with the cool dusk tones of the environment. Surrounding trees and foliage frame the building, while the pathway leading to the entrance is lined with small plants, emphasizing a tranquil and serene setting. Modern architectural masterpiece surrounded by lush greenery, designed with a blend of stone and wood, featuring large glass panels that reflect the natural surroundings. The scene showcases a striking combination of outdoor living spaces, including a stylish patio with plush seating and an elegant umbrella. A serene infinity pool with crystal clear water mirrors the bright blue sky and the vibrant colors of autumn foliage. The setting is bathed in warm sunlight, enhancing the rich earth tones and inviting textures of the landscape. A modern, two-story house featuring a sleek design with large glass windows and wooden accents, nestled in a sunny outdoor setting. The exterior showcases a combination of natural stone and rich wooden textures, creating a warm and inviting aesthetic. Surrounding the house, lush greenery including potted plants and decorative succulents adorn the sandy pathways, complemented by vibrant landscaping with a variety of foliage. The scene captures a serene atmosphere with a clear blue sky, sunlight casting soft shadows, and hints of natural sunlight reflecting off the glass. A tranquil modern Japanese garden at dusk, featuring a sleek contemporary home with large glass windows that reflect the surrounding nature. The lush greenery includes meticulously shaped bushes and vibrant, fiery red maple trees that contrast with the soft, muted tones of the gravel pathway.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.